Hi, this is John with WTI, and I've been on vacations with my family, the furthest part in the in my country, which is hot, sunny all the time. And I've had my Ray-Ban sunglasses that have been working great for me. One thing about this sunglasses that I like the most is how classical, easy to wear look that this is. This is Ray-Ban. So the classical look that you would always get, and it was never gonna be out of date, always looking good and great, lightweight, comfortable, and you're always going to look in a nice place. So these are made of the really good materials. It's Ray-Ban. You can flip them and do different stuff with them. You know that they're gonna be in a great situation all the time. So this is simple, classic, and minimalistic with the red with a little black color that's gonna work great for all the situations. So if you're looking for a great pair of high quality sunglasses for your vacations, these are great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.